I'm gonna show you a video how to use a Jetson Bluetooth with a laptop charger, and I use a wire that I made, a homemade wire. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you this with my multimeter and the power button. Alright. This power button I hold for like until it drops to one. Alright, hold on, let me show you. Okay, I knew I should have a tripod. Crap. This is 0.01, alright? So I'm gonna take this thing off. And I'm gonna plug in my charger.
Powered on. Bluetooth paired.
Unless I broke that shit.
Powered off. Powered on.
The first time I didn't do it right because
Bluetooth paired.
the light was red. I didn't plug the other green wire onto ground, so that's why it didn't show up. So now I did. I'm gonna show you through I'm gonna play some type of video.
Of the GMS and Info Doc Channel 12, entitled Yahweh shall bring thee into Egypt again with ships. So I put in
So, yeah.
Deuteronomy 28:68. Commentary popped up.
You could try this method.
And I'll leave this in the description box. Deuteronomy 28 verse 68. Bible, our library.
Make
Bible
sure
commentaries,
the light isn't
John Gill's
isn't red.
exposition of the Bible. Deuteronomy 20.
Because if it's red, that computer, whatever, keeps on saying, please charge your battery, like every 1 minute or so. So yeah. I'm not sure if the charger will work with the original one. So you could try something like a laptop charger. I don't know, you can see it. 18.5 volts, 3.5 amps, input 100 to 240 volts, 1.8, this is 50 through 60 hertz. So yeah, this is just a video that if anyone needs help, with Bluetooth and are like getting annoyed with that computer talking